Hey guys, Lane here with DTO Customs. I'm here to talk to you about shackles, what they're for, why we use them, and why they're so great. So shackles, they look like these big hunk of metal that are hanging on the front bumper, and essentially they are, but they've got a great purpose. When you're on the trail and you're in a situation where you need to be recovered or you're recovering somebody else, you're gonna want something very strong, closed off for security and confidence that whatever material you are using, rope, chain, or style of application, hook or loop, you don't want it to come off. The factory tow hooks on Jeeps have some deficiencies. They look nice, a lot of them are color accented, which is kind of where we got the inspiration for color accenting ours, but they have their deficiencies. They're not a closed loop design, they're a little bit smaller, they're on top of the bumper. It's in a very bad place, whereas aftermarket bumpers, such as this Fab Force bumper here, have the actual designated points for these shackles. It puts it away from the bumper, it gives you a large reach. They're also able to swivel around, so you have the mobility when you're doing a recovery situation. These, for example, are road armor shackles. They're rated to 40,000 pounds of stress. This is well beyond any means that you will need for off-road recovery, but a lot of times, overkill is exactly what you want. You want the absolute strongest material, so you have all the confidence you need when you're on the trail. If you're stuck, you would put a hook or tie a loop through this, apply it to either a tree if you need just the tension to keep your vehicle from sliding back, or if you're in a situation where your vehicle is no longer able to power its own way out of maybe a situation you're in or even just an obstacle. But this is a great way to ensure your safety and your confidence on the trail. And also, when they are painted up to look real nice, like on this 2022 Outer Banks Bronco here, the shiny silver with this gunmetal gray is a great look. It matches with the silver accents in the wheel. So it's got a good little appearance to it, but there's a reason to why we have these things on here. So that's a video basically on why we do shackles, what they're for, and they're more than just a shiny little piece of metal. If you have any more questions, make sure you follow us on our Instagram and our Facebook for daily updates of our inventory. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to call, email, or text us. We're happy to help out. Thank you, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.